What if I told you that you could bake the fudgiest, richest, most chocolatey brownies ever with zero eggs, zero fuss, and ready in just 30 minutes? Any guesses what? You don't even need any fancy gadgets. Stay with me because this recipe might just launch your home baking journey in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bake with Neetu. If you love easy beginner friendly recipes that don't need a ton of ingredients or complicated tools, you are in for a treat today. I am going to show you how to make the most delicious eggless Oreo brownies perfect for any occasion. Whether you just bake for your family or you dream of starting a small baking business this year, this recipe is so simple you can literally build a menu around it. Ready to learn how to make them? Let's get baking. Okay, first step. Take a microwave safe bowl and add your favorite compound and butter. Microwave in 30 seconds interval, stirring every time so nothing burns. This is like foundation of your house. Get it smooth, get it shiny, and everything else will fall into place. No microwave? No problem. Double boiler works beautifully too. One important tip here. Make sure that butter and chocolate are at room temperature. And I am using the compound chocolate and not the couverture chocolate. So there is a huge difference in compound chocolate and couverture chocolate. So if you're into baking business, you can either use the compound chocolate or the couverture chocolate. But in this recipe, I am just using the compound chocolate to make it budget friendly. You got to melt the chocolate and butter for 30 seconds interval till you get the nice, shiny, smooth like consistency chocolate sauce. As you see, I have popped in twice and now my chocolate is ready for other ingredients to be added. Now pour in 1 cup of milk, whisk it gently and you will see gorgeous chocolate sauce coming together. This is the part where people usually get excited because that smell is so good already. Once the chocolate and milk is well combined, now it's time to add in our dry ingredients. To the same bowl, we are going to add all of the flour we have. Sugar, make sure you're using the powdered sugar only and not the granulated sugar. And the baking powder along with some salt. Salt is added just to balance the sweetness, but you can completely omit it. Next, I'm adding the hazelnut essence here. If you do not have it, just simply use the vanilla essence. It will give you an amazing flavor and the taste. Use a spatula to gently fold. Remember, if you overmix, your brownies might get dense, so keep it light and airy. Pro tip here for you. You could even swap half of the flour with whole wheat flour if you want a healthier option, especially for diabetic friendly menus. Once you mix everything using the spatula, now it's time to use a whisk to make sure there are no dry lumps or dry ingredients in the batter and everything comes together like a smooth chocolate sauce. As you could see, I have just mixed it and my brownie batter is ready to get into the pan. Grease an 8-inch square baking tin with oil. Then line the parchment paper for easy demolding. Pour in that delicious batter, tap it on the counter to get rid of any air bubbles. I made sure that not a single drop of batter is left in the bowl. As you could see, I have scraped down everything. Now comes the fun part. Oreo biscuits. I have taken 1 packet of Oreo biscuit. You could take any flavor. I have taken the chocolate flavor here to make it more chocolatey. Now let's place it in a sequence. Once you place everything, it's ready to get into the oven. Make sure you have preheated your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for minimum 10 minutes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. I know waiting is the toughest time, but make sure you do not open the oven door back and again to see whether brownies have been baked or not, at least for minimum 20 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, make sure to do toothpick test. If it comes out with moist crumbs, you are good. And trust me, your house will smell like chocolate dream. Okay, here is something you may not know. Brownies always taste better the next day. If you can resist, wrap them in the foil overnight and you will get an even fudgier bite. And if you are thinking of launching a baking business in 2025, this is a killer product to get on your menu. Eggless, simple ingredients and maximum wow factor. Customers love it and profit margins are also really good. because Oreos are affordable in bulk. How was that? This eggless brownies is perfect if you're just getting started with baking or even planning a small business from home. Minimal investment, high returns and guaranteed repeated customers. If you love this video, hit like, subscribe and drop me a comment with your favorite brownie topping. Should we try that peanut butter next? See you in the next delicious bake. Happy baking!